Welcome back, everyone. Today we're diving into fall cottage decor, a look that's warm, rustic, and perfect for creating that snug autumn retreat. Let's turn your space into a cozy haven for the season. First, let's talk color. To capture that fall feeling, choose a palette of warm, earthy tones. Shades like burnt orange, deep red, and warm beige can transform any room into a cozy, welcoming space that feels like an autumn day. In cottage decor, texture is everything. Add layers with plaid blankets, chunky knit throws, and soft pillows in a mix of patterns. These touches bring that cottage warmth and make every seat feel like the best spot in the house. Fall cottage decor is all about bringing nature inside. Collect pine cones, acorns, or dried leaves, and scatter them on your mantle or side tables. These little touches add rustic charm and make your home feel connected to the season. A seasonal centerpiece can transform your dining area. Try a rustic display with pumpkins, dried flowers, and candles. It's simple but effective in capturing that fall cottage vibe, and it sets the perfect scene for cozy dinners. Lighting is key to making your cottage feel snug and inviting. Use candle-lit lanterns, string lights, or vintage lamps to create a warm glow. These touches make evenings feel magical and bring a calming atmosphere to any room. forget about scent. Use cinnamon or apple-scented candles, or try a simmer pot on the stove with cloves and oranges. These scents make your home feel like fall in every sense, creating memories and adding to that cottage coziness. Personal touches are what make cottage decor truly special. Try DIY projects like handmade autumn garlands, rustic signs, or painted pumpkins. They're fun to create and add a unique charm that feels right at home in a cozy cottage. Create a cozy nook for relaxing. Whether it's a chair by the window with a good book or a small reading corner with a blanket, these spaces are perfect for chilly fall days and add to the cottage's peaceful vibe. And there you have it. These fall cottage decor ideas bring warmth, charm, and a touch of nature to your home. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more seasonal decor inspiration.